I think merchandising in offline we used to work with a merchandiser in our store. She, beautiful lady, really talented, would come in and tell us how to place those goods in the store, how to make it more attractive to the customer, even dressing up the window so that the window dressing will actually make it very appealing for the customer to come in. That same sort of concept now applies to your e-commerce store. If you think of e-commerce store as a storefront in a mall, it needs to be kept updated. It needs to be kept refreshed. It needs to be aesthetically pleasing. So maybe that's about changing the photos, changing the products, changing the look and feel of the homepage so that it starts to look fresh every time a customer lands. So an e-commerce merchandiser can help you with that idea about how to really grab that customer to enter your store. Once you've entered the store, the storefront, or in this case, the e-commerce website, then it's the magic of the product, it's the magic of the shopping experience that the platform will offer. And we've talked about the platforms already. Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, all of these are built for that. You don't have to think about this at all. Because I know a lot of guys will use something like OpenCommerce or PHP and they'll try to build this themselves in order to save some money. But what they're forsaking is this whole intelligence that these brands already have around what a good shopping experience looks like.